Nothing better to do when I'm stuck on you. I'm here trying to figure it out. Getting hard to sleep, blood is in my dreams. Love is killing me, trying to figure it out. Nothing better to do when I'm stuck on you. I'm still in here trying to figure it out.
So a warm welcome to you all. We will be underway very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. I'm your commentator, Peter Drury, and providing his unique brand of expert analysis, here's Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, it's great to be here.
Dani Alves. That'll be a corner. It's Luis Suarez! Fair attempt, just the wrong outcome.
I couldn't have hit that any better. Any other time it would have sneaked in. Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
Mikel Rico. Mascherano does well there, alert. Now it's Gomez. Ibai Gomez pumps it upfield. Jordi Alba. Neymar on a charge down the left. Barcelona looking really energetic early on. It is a high press. Daniel Alves. Rakitic, Iniesta, Jordi Alba, and it's Neymar. Neymar takes a look up. Neymar! This could fall anywhere!
Well, that was a really awkward one for the goalkeeper to deal with.
Some good play on the left-hand side now to profit from it. It's Adjuris! Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. And another time! Goal! Athletic Bilbao! That could turn out to be a big, big goal. He was never going to miss from there.
Well, as they say, Peter, if you don't speculate, you won't accumulate. And we've just witnessed a player who was rewarded for his willingness to take a risk, as cunning as it comes.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, they may have got the lead, but that next goal now is absolutely crucial to the complexion of this one.
There is the genius of Luis Suarez!
And it's another really good show of character. I love the spirit and togetherness they muster. Never know when they're beaten.
With time and space aplenty, he was never going to miss.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they've paid the price and deserve to.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Yeah, in a game like this, every chance is vital, but they're back on level terms.
Out to the left it goes. Tries a through ball. Dani Alves. Promising cross. Meets it first time! Ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Looking to force his way through. Raul Garcia. And it's Luis Suarez. It's anyone's ball. coming! They have their reward! Neymar with a predatory goal.
Well, for me, that's just pure predatory brilliance. It's not so much the finish, but the way he read the situation when nobody else was even alert to it. It's fantastic.
Barcelona take the lead.
Yeah, they deserve great credit for turning things around, but they'll now need the defensive resilience to equal that attacking flair.
Rico. Messi chose the route one option. Neymar is flagged offside.
He's just drifted beyond the last defender.
Luis Suarez. Rakitic. Good run. Where to from here? Barcelona are leading with half-time drawing close. Well played, he saw that coming. Sergio Busquets. Rakitic. Jordi Alba. Aimed long and direct. Rico. And it's Messi. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Adjuris. Now the pass. Adjuris. There's the whistle for half-time. Barcelona into the half-time break with a narrow lead, 2-1. And the second half gets underway. Aymeric Laporte knocks it towards the front. Tries to stroke it through. Oh, he'll be annoyed with himself for not getting there. Sergio Busquets. Luis Suarez passes it through. Messi hoisted towards the area. It's Rakitic! Sticks it away! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe! Rakitic with the smoothest one-on-one finish. He is one very cool customer.
Well, although the keeper looked an imposing figure then, he remained totally unfazed and took the chance with great ease.
Barcelona take a 2-goal lead and are looking good for the win.
Well, I think that 2-goal cushion they've just manufactured is a fair reflection of what we've seen up to now. It also adds to the psychological divide between the two teams. It could make a big difference.
Daniel Alves.
Everything they would have spoken about in that dressing room during the break has a greater chance of happening thanks to the early goal. It's the perfect platform now to go on and try to win it.
Mascherano. Iniesta. Luis Suarez. Brings it forward. And it's long and forward. Neymar wanders offside. Luis Suarez. Iniesta with the ball through. Whistle goes, he's been given offside. Looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Looks like a good ball through, right through the middle. Mikel San Jose gets into the right position to intercept. Gets it upfield. And it's Gomez. Benyat tries to get it forward quickly. And it's the goalkeepers to claim. Piqué. Barcelona get dipped into their subs. He's made sure that that won't get through. Raul Garcia. Mikel Rico. Looks to slip it through. Mascherano. Rakitic. Mikel Rico charges in. Jordi Alba. Looking for options. Iniesta. Mikel San Jose. The defence can get it clear. Mikel Rico. Raul Garcia. Comes forwards. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. And it's Mikel Rico. DeMarcos. Spoon forward. And the follow-up! Fantastic from Adjuris! He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
I think when you concede a goal like that, the manager has to start questioning his personnel, because to allow someone into that position, totally unmarked, I think that's reckless in the extreme, I really do.
Athletic Bilbao get themselves back into contention.
Well, they've given themselves a chance here, but now it's a case of getting the balance right between attack and defence, and that's not easy.
No, that's not the ball he wanted. Dashing forward at pace. Looks like a good ball through. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Piqué. Dani Alves tries a through ball. Gurpegi. Mikel San Jose.
I think they need to be more direct now and just start getting the ball forward.
He's certainly caught him there, it's a free kick. Raul Garcia. Gurpegi positions himself well and cuts it out. Now it's Adjuris. Ball's loose, who's getting there? In for the follow-up! It's a loose ball. Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. Barcelona hold their first leg lead. They have maximised home advantage, and at the midway point of the tie, they are really well placed. So what do you take away from it all, Jim?
Look, there are lots of ways to win a football match. This team seems equipped to be able to come up with most. I mean, I like that about